Hey, what's up, y'all? This Fame. So I'm just here with a makeup tutorial for y'all. I haven't been doing videos for a little while, but I am back on it now. I went to Ulta and caught this sale on Black Friday. I bought a bunch of Juvia Place palettes. So I'm going to randomly pick one every day using this little wheel. I put an app on my phone. And today, the one that was chosen was the Olori 3. So I'm going to make a look and create some look out of these colors. They are pretty. These palettes that I got are so gorgeous. I've been wanting to get these for a while. I stocked up on a lot of MAC makeup, so I really never got into the Juvia's Place palettes, but today we're going to try this one out, which is the Olori 3 palette. It's got some really cute colors. This, blue color is really, really pretty. I love it. So y'all check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and get into this thing. I'm gonna just do a quick little eyeshadow look, nothing too special. And we're gonna see how this turn out. So let's see. I'm gonna just only use this palette. So we're gonna come up with a look with just these 6 colors. So I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place eye primer to prime my eye. I got it in shade 1. So we're gonna go ahead and just prime my eye with this. And I'm gonna start with this dark color right here. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of build this up in my inner corner. Excuse me, my outer corner and my crease. And I'm gonna use a MAC 217 brush. I have the original MAC brushes, and I think I'm gonna stick with those. I really like them. This is an animal hair brush, so it's a really good blending brush. So I'm gonna just start with this color and just kind of put it right here. Oh, it is so pretty. Alright, so I've gotten that one color on. So next I'm gonna go in with this orange shade, and I'm gonna go right above that color, and I'm gonna blend this color into the dark color I just put down. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done, and I'm gonna use a this MAC 221 brush to do that and kind of concentrate that really above my crease. So I'm gonna go in like right here and just blend this in. All right, so I've gone ahead and added that orange shade, if you can see it up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of this pink, and I'm gonna add that right above the color. I've gone ahead and added that orange, so I'm gonna add this pink. I'm gonna get this color here, add it. We're gonna use the same brush to do this. I just want to kind of blend this in over these 2 colors. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in just with a little bit more of the orange and go back in to just make that color pop a little bit between the pink and this burgundy color. So I'm gonna do that right now and just add a little bit in here just so you can see that color. We're going to take a 224 brush from MAC, and we're just going to blend these colors together real quick. So I'm just going to go over all of it and just blend it through the crease so that they are all blended. So I'm going to take this blue shade and put on my lid. And I'm going to use the MAC 242 brush to put this on my lid. And typically when I do metallic colors, I would spray it first with setting spray, but I want to see how good this pigment is, if I need to, if it has a lot of fallout or not. So I'm gonna just take this and go right in the inner corner. Oh my God, this is so pretty. This is gorgeous. So we're gonna just put this on the inner corner, on the lid, in the inner corner. And it's so pretty. All right, so we're just gonna go back in with a little bit of the dark color and just a very little bit, and just kind of blend it into the metallic blue that we put on, just so it's a nice fine blend. All right, so I blended that color in. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some liner, and I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. But here's the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, and I will show y'all what the final look looks like. All right, y'all, so here is the finished look, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm almost finished, okay? So I'm gonna add a little bit of eyeshadow like under my lower eyelid, my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go in with this same color palette, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of color down and shadow underneath my lower lash line. We're gonna go with the darker color over here. And I'm using a MAC 219 brush to do this. It looks like a pencil, if you ask me. So it's like really good for doing this lower lash line. We're gonna go in with all the colors. We're gonna put the highlight, the lid color. We're gonna take this lid color and put it right here. We're kind of gonna do the same thing, just that we have going on our upper lash on the lower. So I'm gonna take that orange color and I'm gonna just kind of put a little shadow up underneath that and blend that darker color out with the orange on my lower lash line. We're gonna get that done. All right, so here is the finished look. Yeah, see the eyeshadow look. This is from the Olori 3 palette by Juvia's Place. And I used 4 of the colors out of that palette to create this look. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your opinions are. I'm always open to trying new things, new palettes, new products, new brushes, whatever. So just let me know if there's something y'all want me to try. I'm gonna just tell y'all I'm a MAC girl. I'm trying new products right now, but I love my MAC brushes, so I don't. It's gonna take y'all a lot to convince me to try something new, but I'm definitely open to trying them because I am stuck on my MAC brushes. I love them so much. Y'all check out my channel. Go ahead and subscribe to me. Make sure you turn on the alerts so you can get updates of any new things that I do post. And I will be continuing to make these looks. Like I said, I bought 20 of the Juvia's Place palette, so I'm gonna do a different look every day with each one. I'm just gonna use that one palette to create some kind of look, and you all can tell me what y'all like, you know. And so I'm back. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I swear I appreciate everybody that like subscribes and watch to my channel. You just don't even know how much I appreciate that. Thank you so much. And you stay safe, and I will see y'all next time.